that's the news for today. And now over to Hamka for a weather report.
Thank you, Intan. Good morning, I'm Hamka, weather reporter for the weather report. I'm broadcasting live to give you today's weather report and the forecast for tomorrow. Looking at the synoptic chart, starting with Hobart, as we can tell, Hobart is situated in low pressure system, and this causing warm air rise and condense into cloud. Because Hobart was in low pressure system, the air was rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. You experienced temperature from 10 to 20 up to 20 degrees. Hobart was being affected by modified southern maritime, which is usually associated unstable and low air, but it's stable when above. It's cool, moist, cloudy weather. The isobar were close together, which brought strong westerly wind. The wind is probably gonna be 35 knots, as you can see there. It brings cool, moist, and cloudy weather. The isobar were close together, which brought strong westerly wind. Due to the low pressure system, the average temperature and the approaching cold front, you deal with cold wind and chilly air. Move on to Melbourne. Melbourne was being affected by a low pressure system. This, like Hobart, was causing the warm air rise and condense into cloud. Also, because Melbourne was in low pressure system, the air was rotating in anti-clockwise direction. You experienced temperature ranging from 12 to 18 degrees. Melbourne was being affected by tropical Tasman maritime. The air mass bring warm, cloudy, drizzly weather to Melbourne. The isobar were close together, and which brought strong southern westerly wind. Let's move on to Adelaide. Adelaide was being affected by a low pressure system. Things like Hobart and Brisbane. Cold weather and the air was moving in anti-clockwise direction. You experienced the temperature 15 degrees to up to 25 degrees. Adelaide was being affected by a tropical Pacific maritime, which usually brings heavy rainfall and ice attack with a cyclone. The isobar were really far apart, which brought light whistling breeze. Due to the low pressure system, the average temperature you had comfortable air temperature. The forecast for tomorrow in Hobart, the weather will be just the same and probably some rain. In Melbourne, the weather will be cold and wind will be strong. In Adelaide, the weather will be just the same as Melbourne, strong wind and cold weather. That's the weather report for today. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.